Well, there it is with the official Honda condom on it. Anyway, the good news about this motorcycle has been lived indoors its whole life. I cannot find any rust anywhere on it. Not on the fork tubes, not on the frame, not on the swing arms, not anywhere. Which is pretty unusual in my experience. And the engine's basically healthy. It's got an oil leak. Probably those rubber cam plug seals. We'll take all the body work off it, clean it, give it new fluids, new plugs, filters, tires. I think the brake is pretty weak. I'll put new shoes in there. I'm going to take the rear wheel off. We'll pull the drive shaft off and lube it, and I guess we'll give it all new hydraulic fluids. And we'll see what the carburetor needs. When I get in there for the air filter, I'll try to balance the carburetors, and if they're not going to balance and it doesn't smooth out, then we're going to have ourselves a carburetor party. But all in all, pretty good, very serviceable. Be a good motorcycle when we're done with it.